Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart tutorial for the right angle weave. I have here the row 5 and row 6. We will not be doing all of this in this video, as the main goal of this video will be to run out of string. As in the next video, I want to show you how to add string. As with the right angle weave, the string changes position with each stitch, so you need to make sure to add it so that your word chart will continue to work correctly for you. Here I have our piece so far as of the end of the last video, so that you can check and make sure everything is looking right. And now we will begin. We are using my pattern bell for this project. And for row 5, we are beginning with the 2-step increase. And as you see, our string is coming away from the end of our previous row. And we'll start by adding 3 beads, which we need a B, a C, and a B. And we'll let them drop down. And when you add 3 beads, you find the bead that your string is coming out of and go through it so that your string is coming out on the same side. And then we'll pull our work tight. And then to position for the second step, we will go through all 3 beads we just added. And here is our piece with our string coming out. And then we will add the next 3 beads, which is 2 C's and a B. We'll let them drop down. And then we'll go through the bead that our string is exiting. And we'll pull our work tight. And there's our end of our row. And then I flipped over the graph. And now we will go through the side bead and the top bead of our current row so that we're in position for the next set. And now we will add our row. And we are starting with our string coming out of the top of the current row. And we're going to add a C color and a B color. And we'll let them drop down. And then when we add 2 beads, we go through 2. So we first want to go through the side bead on our previous row, and then the top bead where our string is exiting. So our side bead on the previous row, oops, sorry, went through the wrong side bead. Side bead on our previous row, and then the top bead. And then to position, we will go through the 2 beads we just added plus the next side bead for the next set. And now our string is coming out of the side bead on our previous row. And we're going to add 2 colors, which is both C and we'll let them drop down. And then we will this time go through the top bead of our current row and then the side bead that our string is exiting out of. And to position, we will go through just the first bead we added. And now we're ready for our next set. And as you can see here, 5 and 6 are the same color, so they're together. So we'll start, and the first one, our string is coming out of the current top bead of the current row. We're going to add 2 B colors. And we'll let them drop down. And then we go through the side bead and the top bead. And then to position, we go through the 2 we added plus the next side bead. Now our string is coming out of the side bead of our previous row, and we are now adding 6, so we need 2 B colors again. And we let them drop down, and then we go through the top bead and then the side bead our string is coming out of. And then to position, we go through that first bead we just added, and I think I can add 1 more set. So we're now going to add set 7, and if you're not sure where you are, you can just count your side beads. Make sure not to count the end bead, but just the side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know we're on 7. We need a B, and then a C, and let them drop down, and we go through our side bead and then our top bead. And I will stop us there. Yes, I'll stop us there. In the next video, I will show you how to add a new string, because with the right angle weave, as we switch positions regularly, you want to make sure to add it so that you know where your string should be for the next step. So I hope to see you in that video.